Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Karl Marx. He is thinking how the laborer, the worker, their senses will be gratified. That is his philosophy. Is it not? Yes. He is thinking that the capitalist, they are satisfying only their senses luxuriously. Why not the laborers who are actually working? That is his philosophy. The central point is sense gratification. Just try to understand. The whole world is busy in different labels, but the central point is sense gratification. That's all. Is anybody has anything to say against this? Here, present. But here Rishabdev says, Niloke kastana kaman arhate, no arhate. Na ayam deha deho bhajang niloke kastana kaman arhate vidbhujang ji. Such kind of hard work, it is done by the dogs and hogs also. So does it mean that we shall have to work? We have got this human form of body and we have to work just like dogs and hogs? Actually they are doing so. Nothing more than that. The dogs and hogs, they are busy all day and night for the same thing. How to eat, how to sleep, how to have sex life, how to depend. The man is also working in the same way, under different level only. Nationalism, socialism, this is and that is. But the action of the dog and hog and the human society, so-called civilized, the point is the same. So Rishabdev says that so the dogs and hogs, they are working so hard for sense gratification, but this human form of body is not meant for that. It is for different purpose. That the modern civilization, they do not know that. Modern man, society, they do not know. They simply think that, yes, dog is sleeping on the street, we must have very nice building, very nice apartment, very nice bedstead. That is advancement of civilization. Others will say it is primitive. If we remain in the same standard, sleeping anywhere without any furniture, but after all, the subject matter is sleeping. Nothing more than that. Similarly, take eating also, and mating also. Then, the question will be, then what do you say the human life is meant for? The answer is, tapo divyanga kajina sattam suddhe. Human life is meant for tapasya. Tapasya. Tapasya means austerity. Denying this. Denying. The cats and dogs are satisfied as they eat more. They think they are enjoying. Nowadays the human beings also, they are using so many appetizers, drinking. We study this in the aeroplane. before eating, they supply wine, makes the appetite very strong, and then eat so much. Huge quantity. You have marked it? Yes. So that is their enjoyment. But Rishabdev says, or the Shastra says, no, you should not eat at all. That is your purpose. Just see. These animal like men, they are eating so much, they are enjoying. But your business should be to decrease up to the point of need, no more. So are they prepared? No. It is very difficult. But that is the aim. Therefore we find those who are for spiritual advantage, like Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami belonged to a very rich man's son. His father and uncle were very rich men. 500 years ago, the income was 12 lakhs of rupees per annum. Then 1,100,000 of rupees. I think at the present moment the value has increased 100,000 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.